Back to another video of Crypto Basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to change your PIN in Is Crypto account. First of all, make sure that you are connected to your internet. After that, find and open Is application on your device. Make sure that you are logged into your account. Now, you will see three lines which is at the top right corner of your screen. Click on it. And you can find settings option. After clicking on setting option, you can see change PIN option there. But you can see that your account settings has been locked. To unlock your account settings, click on tap to unlock account settings option, where you need to type in your password for the account. After typing in your password, you can click on submit button. And you can click on change PIN option now. After that, type in the 4-digit PIN here and click on done button. So that is how you can change your PIN of Is Crypto account. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.